Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to set up the SD card into the XIAOMI Smart C701. So take your SD card and the camera, then put the camera up, and right here we have the slot for the SD card. Just put it inside, then push, and
microSD card is not enabled. Please check in the Mi Home XIAOMI Home APP. SD 卡暂未启用，请在米家 APP 中查看。
Okay, so now in the XIAOMI Home app, we need to go into Storage Manager, SD card, right here. SD card status not formatted, so click right here. Please format a memory card, so format SD card. Okay. It is formatting. And now it is done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.